the three-way flush valve kit. This is essential for flushing out your chemical lines after you finish using your equipment. But you might be thinking,
what is a three-way flush valve kit and how do I install it?
So the three-way flush valve kit allows you to simply turn a handle to start pulling bleach, and then turn the handle the other way to start pulling water through your bleach line. So when you buy this kit, it comes with a length of hose and a drop tube so your hose doesn't curl around in the bottom of your tank. It also comes with a video instruction that shows you how to install the kit into your system. This starts all the way from drilling the hole into the tank, fitting everything, gluing all the fittings together, and I even do a little bit of a demo showing you how the valve works as well. So don't hesitate, this is a DIY install for your kit, and it couples up perfectly with our proportioning valve system, so you can flush through the water through your chemical lines after each use and prolong the life of your pump. Super time saver and essential for anyone who's doing soft washing.